Doesn't it look delicious? This is a juicy chicken shawarma loaded in a warm pita. I'm going to show you how to make it. Start by making the marinade. Add some lemon and salt. Now add your chicken and let it rest in the fridge. The longer, the better. Once you're ready, add some olive oil and cook the chicken. I like to cook mine on a cast iron grill pan. It gives the chicken more flavor and that perfect crisp. Next, I'm making a simple fresh salad. I'm cutting onions, cucumbers, cherry tomatoes, mint, and I'm adding lemon and salt. Don't forget the mint. It really makes a difference. Let's warm up the pita bread so it's soft and perfect for wrapping. Now it's time to bring everything together. First, I'm adding a big scoop of tzatziki sauce, then the chicken, add some salad, sprinkle some feta cheese, and add some lettuce for that perfect crunch. I promise you this tastes so good.